Well, this is just a very quick demonstration of just how simple and quick and easy it is to change the front kidney grills of a BMW 2 Series. This is a 2017 BMW 220 Cabriolet, and we've just purchased a couple of one pair of front grills here, and we've removed both of the BMW factory fit grills which are here, and you'll see that there are some clips. There are 3 on the top, 1 on the side and 2 underneath. The secret is to undo these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 bolts. You'll need a standard tool, which is a star shape almost. I think it's a star shape. Let's just see what size it is. It's a T27. Unscrew them, and then just be mindful that these here have to be carefully moved forward, and then you've got a locator on the headlight and another locator here on this headlight as well, so you need to make sure that you don't break or damage those. Obviously that's part of the headlight unit, and as the xenon headlights, you don't want to be footing out £1,000 for a unit. Once you've got them out, and this is the tricky bit, you have to basically bring this section forward. It doesn't come out too much, but it gives you enough space to get your hand inside, and you push down on the 3 clips at the top to release it from the grill, from the bumper. You do the same on the one on the side there, but on the ones underneath you push up. So you push down on the top and the sides, and you push up on the lower, and it just basically moves enough as you just to pull it forward, and then you see where these are located when you come to fit them. So we're just going to basically push this in, and hopefully, as you can already see, it's made a big improvement to the vehicle. So this is Cheshire Cars. I'm David Bilsborough, and this is a how-to short video of remove kidney grills and refit them with a matte or gloss, high gloss finish. We've chosen high gloss. It's very similar to the Shadow line BMWs that are leaving the factory at the moment. So give me a buzz on 077 774 464 368 or 01270 213 811 if you want any assistance in doing yours. I can talk you through and advise you, but there's plenty of other good videos on the web.